everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly. I hope that everyone's having a great day so far. I wanted to share a recipe for French country chicken, and it's a recipe I found in a cookbook, and I think it's a really flavorful chicken recipe, and it looks like it has a lot of ingredients, but it really doesn't. And it's very simple ingredients that you will need. So the first thing you'll need is 1 bay leaf and 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of flour, a half a teaspoon of thyme, and you want dried thyme, and also a half a teaspoon of dried tarragon, 1 cup of canned diced tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil for sauteing your chicken. You will also need 8 ounces of button mushrooms, and you want to quarter those. 3/4 cup of chicken stock and 3/4 cup of dry white wine. 2 medium onions diced, and about 8 chicken thighs with the skin on and bone in. Melt your butter and your oil in a skillet, a large skillet if you have one. This one's more of a medium size one, but it worked. And all I'm going to do is salt and pepper my chicken and then turn it over the skin side down. And I'm just going to brown this until the skin becomes just a light brown, and you want to turn it over and cook the other side also. And as I said before in another video, I am known to just make things fit where it seems like it won't, but I managed to get those 8 thighs into this pan and it worked fine. Remove the chicken from the pan once they're brown. After you remove the chicken, add the onions, and you want to saute that down until they're a bit translucent. So you kind of just want them softened up a little bit. Now add the mushrooms, and you want to toss that in and stir it up well. That way those onions will season the mushrooms. Add some salt just to taste, and then add some black pepper. And like I said, just add the amount that you would prefer in this type of dish. And if you're not wanting a lot of salt, don't add a lot. But add your seasoning, your tarragon and your thyme, and I just mix it up a little bit. And then I just sprinkle it on top, so that way it seasons the whole. Even though I'm going to stir it, I like to just spread it out on top of that mixture. I will add the garlic cloves, and you want to make sure that that is mixed in well so it's not in a clump, and then it spreads out. Add your flour, and it's going to be a little thick, but that's also to help thicken the juices that are going to go into this. And once you've had that mixed well, add your chicken broth, and then add your white wine. Once that cooks down just a little bit, add your tomatoes. And then add your bay leaf. Now add your chicken back to the pan, and I don't usually turn it over. I leave it skin up, and I will just take the spoon and just pour the juice over the chicken as it cooks, and you want it to cook uncovered. I would have to say about 30 minutes is how long I cooked it, but if your chicken is not fully cooked at that point, just continue to cook until it is completely done. And don't forget to remove the bay leaf when it's done. And this is what it looks like when it's done, and it really turned out delicious. It had a lot of flavor. I was pleasantly surprised that all of that cooked in, and it really was a delicious meal. We just had some angel hair pasta with it, the rice-a-roni in the box, and some green beans. And like I said, it really does have a lot of flavor. This is definitely a chicken recipe you should try. But I hope that everyone enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. I hope that everyone had a blessed day, and I hope that everyone has a great week ahead. Thank y'all so much for watching.